Hello everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Daily Fun. Today we will practice calm, slow English. This is daily listening practice for beginners. Please relax, take a deep breath, sit comfortably. We will listen, we will repeat, we will improve. Let's begin. Part 1. Calm listening warm-up. First, just listen. It is a quiet morning. The sky is light blue. The air feels cool. I sit in a peaceful room. I feel calm. Listen again slowly. It is a quiet morning. The sky is light blue. The air feels cool. I sit in a peaceful room. I feel calm. Now repeat. It is a quiet morning. Pause. The sky is light blue. Pause. The air. I open the window. I drink warm water. I smile at myself. I start my day slowly. Listen again. I wake up early. I open the window. I drink warm water. I smile at myself. I start my day slowly. Now repeat. I wake up early. Pause. I drink warm water. Pause. I smile at myself. Pause. I start my day slowly. Pause. Excellent. Part 3. Short story, calm practice. Now listen to a short story. Lena is a beginner in English. She feels nervous when she speaks. She talks very fast. She makes mistakes. One day, she changes her plan. She listens to calm, slow English every day. She listens in the morning. She listens at night. She repeats every sentence slowly. She does not hurry. After 2 months, she speaks more clearly. She feels relaxed. She feels confident. Listen again carefully. Lena listens every day. She repeats slowly. She does not hurry. She feels confident. Now answer. Who is Lena? Pause. What does she do every day? Pause. How does she feel now? Pause. Great listening. Part 4. Conversation practice. Listen to this conversation. A. Why do you listen to slow English? B. Because I want to speak clearly. A. Do you practice every day? Yes, I practice calmly and slowly. Listen again slowly. Why do you listen to slow English? Because I want to speak clearly. Do you practice every day? Yes, I practice calmly and slowly. Now repeat. Why do you listen to slow English? Pause. Because I want to speak clearly. Pause. Yes, I practice calmly and slowly. Pause. Very good. Part 5. Vocabulary practice. Now practice 5 calm words. Calm, slow, clear, relax. Practice, repeat after me. Calm, pause, slow, pause, clear, pause, relax. Pause. Practice. Now say these sentences. I feel calm. Pause. I speak slowly. Pause. My voice is clear. Pause. I relax when I practice. Pause. Excellent. Part 6. Listening challenge. Now listen to a longer paragraph. Tom works in a busy office. He feels stressed sometimes. He wants to improve his English. Every evening, he listens to calm, slow English audio. He sits in a quiet room. He closes his eyes. He listens carefully. He repeats softly. After 3 months, he understands more. He speaks more clearly. He feels proud. Listen again carefully. Tom listens every evening. He repeats softly. He speaks more clearly. Now answer. Where does Tom work? Pause. When does he listen? Pause. How does he change? Pause. Wonderful listening. Part 7. Daily confidence practice. Now, speak with calm confidence. I am learning English. Pause. I listen slowly. Pause. I speak clearly. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. I am calm and confident. Pause. Excellent job. Closing. Today you practiced calm, slow English. Remember, do not hurry. Do not be afraid. Practice daily. Calm practice brings strong results. Thank you for listening to Mr. English Daily Fun. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.